Storms earlier this week left the Iowa Great Lakes area dealing with two issues: wind damage and flooding. WHO 13's Roger Riley was in the Okoboji area today. He joins us live from Arnold's Park. Hi, Roger.
Hi, Janae. Here in the area, there's a lot of concern about the lake levels rising. The problems that causes for boat owners, damage to the docks. Now, today, and it's pretty pouring, really pretty good right now. It's been raining off and on all day, but that didn't stop people from getting out.
Wet. Just wet.
Gloomy, wet, yeah.
Great.
Indoor water park.
Now, this is the spillway water coming out of Big Spirit Lake. Some Wisconsin visitors took time to fish. Over at Tri-Bogie Beach, water was creeping up past the boats toward the houses. Some people even sandbagged their house. And at Pillsbury Point, the storm this week also packed a punch with wind and waves smashing docks and leaving some boats out in the water with no way to get there other than to swim. One dock company said they already had 40 customers on a waiting list to come out and repair the damage. If you have a home here on historic Pillsbury Point, you're used to strong winds.
A lot of weather memories, a lot of times that the dock has gone out. I think in my lifetime 3 or 4 times I've seen them go out. And I was here for the tornado of 1968, which took docks out and destroyed the amusement park. And there's always a weather-related thing here. You just have to move on. When they put the docks in here on this side of Pillsbury Point, they try to get a time when it's not windy, because this is a very windy part of the lake.
And Maureen told me that her family now has had a summer home there at Pillsbury Point for 6 generations. And she said when they replace the dock and rebuild it, it's kind of a strategy. Get the old crumpled dock out of the way, get the boat out, and then rebuild a new dock. And I think I'm going to move a little bit. It's starting to rain pretty hard here.
Yeah, no
in
kidding.
Arnold's Park, live in Arnold's Park.
All right, from rainy Arnold's Park. Thanks, Roger.